How to fix Venmo app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Venmo application is not working, there might be because of a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, you can press and hold onto your Venmo app, head over to App Info, tap on the Force Stop button, head over to Storage and Cache, and tap on Clear Cache. After which, head back from here once again. There you must see the option of Open. You can tap on it. It is equivalent to opening it as an administrator, just like in your PC. If this does not work, you actually have to head over to your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of System Update. Ensure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the application. After which, you have to ensure you are not connected to a VPN connection. This is because Venmo is not available for every country or region. So if you're trying to use it via a VPN connection, make sure to disable it ASAP. By following these methods, you'll be able to fix your Venmo app not working. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.